What is staffing for your community? Stay tuned and you'll find out. Hey Smarties, if you want smart solutions for your apartment community, click the bell below and subscribe. Temporary staffing for apartment communities is someone who has a void at their community and you may need leasing or maintenance help. You give us a call. We identify in our pool of talent who we have available. We send over you our assignment agreement and insurance requirements, documentation, and then it's as simple as the next day we have someone out staffing at your community. So when you work with Smart Apartment Solutions, you're getting the top quality that's available in the industry. We utilize the top resources for recruitment for leasing professionals and maintenance professionals. For more information on how you can get the top-notch industry leasing or maintenance professional for your community, please hit the link below to subscribe. And remember, get smart with your apartment community.